What's up guys, back with another video. Now this video is how to install an LED light on your reverse tail light on a Dodge Charger. And I also got my beautiful daughter here with me. Say what's up, Asia.
Hi.
So guys, we're gonna get right into this video, alright? Yeah guys, so right here I got my LED in this box right here. Should get this thing open up. You know what I'm saying? Get this LED. Alright, put this aside. There you go. So I'll show y'all what I'm basically installing in my rear tail light. So just take these out. Okay, and then take out the other one, which is up here. Alright, the last one is this screw right here. I don't know if you can see it. Can you see it? There we go. This screw right here. Unscrew this. Alright. Press that right over here. So now I'm gonna pull back the tail light. Push this inside. So okay, so now you see right over here, so we're gonna twist this. Oh, there we go. And pull this out. Hold this for me, sweetie. Okay, and gonna install this. Alright, so we take out one bulb. Rest that here. Just make sure when you're resting it, you know, you take this out, don't touch the top, and pull this out. Put that here, then we install this like this. Alright, push it in, make sure it's good. Okay, go ahead, start the car for me, babe. Alright, so right now my daughter's gonna put the car in reverse and see if this tail light turns on. Alright, sounds nice. Alright, so as you see, it don't turn on. Alright, sweetie, you can turn it off. As you see, it don't turn on, so that means that it's in the wrong spot. So now she's gonna put it in reverse again. Now you see, it just turned on. Why it turned on is because if you reverse it and then the light don't turn on, that means it's in the wrong slot. All you have to do is twist it around and put it in the slot. Alright, so you could put it back in park. So now we're gonna put it right back in, like so. Okay, same thing what we do here, we're gonna do it on the other side. So right now we're doing the other side right now. Just unscrewing this here. And we're gonna put it right over here, just like what we did with the other one. Unscrew the top here. Like this. Take this out. Okay. Rest it right there, and then now we open this and then unscrew it from the inside. Okay, there we go. It's coming loose. Okay, so we're pulling the whole module out. Go. Got the whole module out, and same thing what we did on the other side, doing it right over here. There we go. Got that out now. Then we pull out the bulb. Okay. Put the bulb inside. Let me fix this so this module don't fall. Okay. Got the other LED in my hand. And right here we're gonna install this, right? So, like that. Okay, wow, there's a piece of hair in here. All right, so sweetie, go put this, put it on reverse for me, please. So, guys, right now we're gonna see the light turn. Once it turns on, then you know you put it in the right position. There you go. Yep, turned on. Alright. So now we put it in. Alright, sweetie. Now I'll put it right in now. Okay, put it right in the slot here. So look, sometimes it's hard to put it in, but I got it. Now we're gonna install this back. Put this back in. And there we go. Yeah, perfect. So now put this back in. This right here. Make sure you hold it from the outside so it don't fall out of place. So once you tighten one, then you're able to do the other. Okay. And then the other one, put it way over here. No joke, you gotta put strength in it to turn it. Oh. Right. Look.
You gotta make sure it don't come out while you're driving.
Yeah, for real. And the last one. Put that in. Tighten it up. Perfect. So now she's gonna go put it in reverse. And you're gonna see the light turn on. Right? You see that? So that's one, and that's the second one. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Alright? Comment down below. You know what I'm saying? Let me know what you guys think. Subscribe and do all the good things. Share. You know what I'm saying? So thank you guys. That's the end of the video. See you in the next one. Alright? Peace.